Welcome to TrueBizCard. In this video, we will see quick demo of how to create digital business card using TrueBizCard, which is digital business card generator from Fame Infotech. What you are seeing right now on your screen is a sample digital business card, and in this video, we will see how to create a digital business card like this. Once you see this video, you will be able to create your own digital business card in just few minutes. To get started, log in to www.truebizcard.com and sign in with your username and password. If you don't have an account, then you can create your account by clicking this link. Once you are logged in, you will see your dashboard like this. This dashboard shows details like your current plan, expiry date of your plan, and other statistics of your digital business card. As soon as you create your account, by default, free trial plan is assigned, and you can see it in your dashboard. Here in this case, we have enterprise plan. You can change your plan by going to plans option in the left menu. As you can see in plans page, there are various plans available. You can subscribe to the plan as per your requirement by clicking the subscribe button below the plan details. Now, let's see how to create digital business card. Click on My vCard option and then select all vCards and then click on Edit button. In this page, you can select theme, colors and fonts of your digital business card. There are 8 inbuilt themes. You can select the theme which you like. You can also preview the themes by clicking Preview button. Below that you can change theme background type, background image, card background type, background color, and font of your digital business card. After you make the changes, click on Save Changes. After making any change, you can also preview the card by clicking Preview button. Next, in the profile page, you update your profile details. Here, you can upload your profile image and banner image. This is how profile image is shown, and this is the banner image in your digital business card. Next in the slug, you update the keyword with which you want to open your digital business card, which is also the URL of your card. In this example, digital business card URL is v2.truebizcard.com/Rohit. Then you update title, subtitle and short description. This is how you will see them in your digital business card. This is the title. This is the subtitle, and this is a short description in your digital business card. Next, in the contact details page, you can insert all your contact details, like your phone number, email, address, LinkedIn, YouTube, Vimeo, Facebook, website, payment link, etc. There are so many options in this section to add. Just click on Create button at the top, select your option from the selection list, update the values, and click on Create button. Next, in the Products and Services sections, you can insert all your products and services. Click on Create button, give title. If you want to show the price of your products and services, you can add it here. If you do not want to show the price option, then you can enter the value as 0. Choose cover image and give description. Then select what you want to do if someone clicks on the inquiry button on your product or services. You can choose the option from this list. This is how products and services section looks in the digital business card. Here we have given URL in the inquiry button. Clicking on inquiry button opens the website of this product. Like this, in this digital business card, multiple products and services are added. Next, in the portfolio section, you can insert your portfolio details. To add it, just click on Create button, update the details in this form, and click on Create button. This is how portfolio section looks like in this digital business card. Clicking on View button opens the website of this portfolio. In the next section, you can update the gallery section of your digital business card. To do that, Click on Create button and add URL of your image or the video and then click on Create button. This is how gallery section looks in your digital business card. Clicking on the video image, directly place your video inside your digital business card. In the next section, you can insert testimonials if you want. This is how testimonials looks like in your digital business card. All the testimonials scrolls automatically to show you each testimonial one by one. As you can see, testimonials are changing automatically in this digital business card. In the next section, you can change the look and feel of your QR code. QR code can be shown in your digital business card main page, and also when you share your digital business card, using Share button in your digital business card. Next, in the custom section, you can insert your own custom section if you want. Here you can insert anything like image, video, table, link, or you can even write your own HTML code here which will be rendered in your digital business card. Next, if you want your digital business card to be linked with your own domain, like www.yourname.com, then you can update your domain name here. You will also need to update your CNAME or e-record in your domain cPanel, as mentioned here. Once you update the details, click on Save Changes button. Please note that this change is not reflected immediately, and it is reflected only after it is approved by the admin. Now, if you want to reorder sections in your digital business card, then you can do it by clicking Reorder Sections. Rearrange the sections by drag and drop, and then click on Save Changes button. Now let's see the various options we have in the advanced page. First, if you want inquiry form to be enabled on your digital business card, then you should update your email ID, where you want email to be received when someone fills inquiry form in your digital business card. This is how inquiry form looks in your digital business card. When someone enters these details in inquiry form in your digital business card, then you will receive the email with those details. If you do not want this form to be enabled on your digital business card, then simply keep email address as blank in the admin panel. If you want to enable analytics in your digital business card, then you can enter your Google Analytics ID here. Then, if you don't want to show TrueBizCard branding in your digital business card, you can select this Hide Branding checkbox. If you want to show Add to Phone Book button on your digital business card, then this checkbox should be checked. This is how this button is shown in your digital business card. When someone clicks on this button in your digital business card, then all your contact details will be saved in that person's phone book. To show or hide Share button on your digital business card, check or uncheck this checkbox. This is the Share button on your digital business card. When you click on this, you get the option to share your digital business card on various platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. If you want to show your QR code on your digital business card, then select this checkbox. And if you want to show your QR code in your Share pop-up, which we saw just now, then select this checkbox. If you want to enable card view counter on your digital business card, then select this checkbox. It is shown at the top of your digital business card, like this. As you can see here, this digital business card has been opened more than 4,800 times by various users. When you share your digital business card, this counter will help you to understand how many users have seen your digital business card. If you want to give option to users to see in your digital business card in other languages other than English, then select this option. This change language option is shown at the top right corner of your digital business card. If you want your digital business card to be indexed by search engines like Google, then select this option. If you want to make products and services and portfolio sections in your digital business card as carousel, then select this option. Let's select this to see how digital business card looks like after we make this change. Now you can see in your digital business card that your products and services and portfolio are shown one by one, and all of them are not seen once. If you have many products and services and portfolios, then you can select this option so that your digital business card looks compact. Otherwise, your digital business card will look very big. Then, if you want to insert your own custom CSS and custom JS code, you can insert it in the below section. As you can see here, in this digital business card, custom JavaScript is added to show virtual assistant in digital business card. This custom code is enabling this virtual assistant in the digital business card. This virtual assistant can talk to your customers and can collect any details from them. Please note that it does not come by default with any of the package. If you want to add it to your card, then you can contact us with your request. If you face any issue in creating your digital business card or if you need any help, then you can directly raise the ticket within your admin panel itself. Just go to support page and create the ticket by clicking Create Ticket button. Status and response on your ticket you can see directly in this page itself. Last, in your profile settings, if you want to change your first name, last name, phone number, and password, you can change it here. Once you are done creating or updating your digital business card, you can log out by clicking Log Out from the menu in the top right corner. So, you saw step-by-step process of creating your own digital business card. It takes just few minutes to create it, but it gives you a unique identity and a competitive edge. To create your own digital business card, log in to www.truebizcard.com now and position yourself as an expert in your industry. Thank you for watching this video.